Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you Android secret calculator trick. So the calculator I am talking about is not just a calculator, it is a calculator and also a secret folder. In this folder, you can just hide any of your photos and videos. So to download this calculator, you can just go to your Play Store and in the top search bar search for locker calculator, and you can just install the very first app. You can use this app like a calculator and you can also use it to hide your photos and videos. Now just go to this app, click on agree and continue. You need to grant some permissions. Now the very first thing you need to do is set a 4-digit password. Click on the equal button. Again re-enter the password and click on the enter button. Now you can just use this app like a normal calculator until you give the code and click on enter. So guys, that's the Android secret calculator trick. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.